High-ranking studio.
I found this on the roadside with. Oh, you pick up something on the ground and you're able to shoot a video. Hey, this thing is great. You will know it later. Oh, now parenting can reach the point where you're picking up a piece of waste can be used as the subject of a video. This is an interesting fact. But did you know it won't work anymore? This power line will be on. This power line will be on, but the fan will not work. I think its interior design is very good. This is an interesting opportunity. Let me try to see if I can fix it. Let's start to disassemble it now. You see, this screw is damaged. It's easier to remove damaged screw like this by applying pressure from directly above. Look, it's taken down like this. Wow, there is also a lithium battery inside. Let's check if the battery is dead. The voltage is normal. It must be repaired. The first thing to do is to remove the screws. From the circuit board, let's take a look at the structure of the circuit board. It seems to have a charging function. Made in April 2020, it's pretty new. Check the input voltage first. The voltage output has 3 stages. Its turn seems to be abnormal. Let's keep looking. I'm very professional in this part. Remove the screws. You can see its fan brackets now. This fan bracket looks cute. When it is lifted, the fan brackets are disassembled. Cover the lid first to avoid missing parts. This part is only need to remove 3 screws. It's very simple. Oh, its motor looks like this. This should be a 140 motor. It should be less than 4 cents. First, measure the voltage here to confirm whether there is a problem with the motor or the wiring. The voltage here is 3.97, so the wiring should be good. So this motor should be out of order. This is more troublesome. Make a mark on the contract first, and there will be no error later. Now unsolder the power cord. Measure the resistance of this motor. The resistance value is unstable and the internal contract is poor. Take a look at the internal situation. Isn't this motor magic? Why did you want to fix it yourself? This thing won't be difficult. Wouldn't it be great if you can fix it yourself? This is really not difficult. I like to dismantle this when I was in elementary school. Let's pry away the small iron piece first. Open it now. Looks cool, right? This is really doubtful how it was made for less than 4 cents. This is its electric brush. One side has been worn off. What is the function of the electric brush? Let Perkin tell you. Let's take a look at the DC motor. There are at least 2 permanent magnets in a typical DC motor, right where our arrow is pointing. The role of the armature is to generate a dynamic magnetic field. Collecting ring with brushes can stably generate a reverse magnetic field. If there is no collecting ring and brush, the DC motor must be controlled by the circuit board. A more powerful DC motor will use a carbon rod as its brushes. So we will call it carbon brush. Brushless DC motor which requires a circuit board drive. Of course, it can be made into a variable frequency model. The above is the function of a brush. Do you understand this way? We continue to repair. This is an electric brush, did you forget? Now this is the rotor with a armature and a collecting ring on it. Now clean the collecting ring a little bit. The oil on the brush and the bearing is also removed. Now the point is coming. This is a wire. I take out the copper core inside. Then I use the copper core of the wire to repair the brush. There are 7 strands here, but I only need 2 of them. I remove the brushes now. This brush is a bifurcated copper sheet. Then I solder a copper wire on each of the 2 copper sheets. There was a problem with camera when shooting. Now I will simulate it again. It's very easy to solder it like this. Isn't that cool? Then I put the brush back. I'll use tweezers to adjust its spacing. We can combine it after adjustment it. Now use the needle nose plier to buck out the cast. Hey, don't run away. After assembling, you can solder the wires back. Then put the motor to the original position. Fasten 3 screws. Install the fan brake. Then we can test it a little bit. After you can test it. Wow, the wind is really strong. After you really love acting. The editor just verified the fan is no problem. Now we assemble it together. Although its motor is not good, but the exterior design is not bad. I don't know if this is a counterfeit. My son took this away as soon as it was repaired. At this time, I can't help feeling that the Southerner even have electric fans who go to the nose to wonder. I have repaired this fan now. I want to test its effect after repair. Should all be back to normal? Let's take a look at its charging function. There is a lithium battery in it. There is a charging hole here. I want to remove the battery. I'll test the charging function. This light will be on when charging. You see the light is on. Stretch it out and try it. Want to see my strong fragile finger? Try a few more times and you will succeed. If you have no time to try, subscribing to Pirate King Studio can also improve your repairability and creativity. Subscribe to share and like. Thank you for watching. See you next time.